Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make.
Hey everybody, Lewis here, Rshackbbq and other things. So I'm starting out in the kitchen. We're gonna do some steaks tonight, and I'm making a bourbon glaze for the steaks. I also got some barbecue sauce simmering on the stove here that I'm whipping up. That'll be for a later video. But I'm making this bourbon glaze. I'm going to show you the ingredients. They'll be listed down below, as well as I'm going to show you what I'm doing with the sauce. I got to cook it on the stove, and then we're going to go out and grill the steaks. So we'll see how this turns out. I got some ribeyes. I love ribeyes. So does my wife. Can do some probably, I don't know if we'll do mash, but we'll do maybe baked potatoes along with it. So yeah, let me show you what I got going on here on the stove. Okay, we got some barbecue sauce here starting to simmer. This I'll can, put it in a can, stick it in the fridge. Should be good for about a month. And then we will use it up probably on some ribs. Look over here, I got my glaze. Look at that color, isn't that beautiful? Can't wait to get this on some steaks. So we'll get these simmered, and then bring them up to a boil. Then we'll let them simmer for a little bit, and we'll let them cool down. So stay tuned. using the Royal Oak tumbleweed starters for the first time. We'll see how that works out. You see I got my mini chimney in there getting some coals going. It's Weber's coals. I want to run it about 330 for these steaks. So we'll get this going and go from there. I'm hungry, so I want to get this done. And cheers. So, yeah, let me flip you around here, show you what I'm doing. Yeah, so I'm just got them kind of around the coals here, and we'll keep just rotating and get them nice and warm. Get them done quickly here. Teriyaki kind of flavor, but then that cayenne comes back and hits you in the end. Woo! Perfect. Cheers. This is so good. Oh, wow. I'm sorry, I gotta go in for another bite. That's ridiculous. Wow. I'm telling you. I'm lost for words. That is so good. Oh man. Wow. Definitely try this. That is delicious. So the glaze came out beautiful, obviously. That is so good. Yeah, this glaze is amazing. And I used Point Rider Bourbon Whiskey. And this is actually pretty good. It's middle price. It wasn't too bad as far as your whiskeys and bourbons go. But it's pretty good. Cheers. And, you know, it probably took 45 minutes to make the sauce, you know, bringing it up to a boil and then reducing it down. We did end up adding a little bit of cornstarch and cold water to kind of thicken it up just a bit, but it came out perfect. And, you know, the Weber, it did great once I flipped them over on the coals. Yeah, That took about 15 minutes, flipping them back and forth to get the doneness that I like and that my wife likes. Yeah. All I can say is try to make this glaze. Give it a shot. Like I always say, thank you for watching. You can do this too and grill on. Until next time, friends. Oh man, that is so good. I can't stop.